Today we will learn about how to add fields in the existing table, and also we will see we will try adding new table in a block. So I am already here inside a block that is called list all courses, and again this video is a continuation of a previous one. So if you have not watched my previous video, I will suggest you to please go through and watch that. You can find that link inside this description of this video. And to update, to play with the db, you have to come inside this directory, your block directory, then inside db, then upgrade, and you will also require to change here inside version.php. So I am making this change 19 to 20. Let's suppose I want to add one more field here. Okay, so let's make it 20. So if this condition will be matched, it will come under this block and the code will be executed. Okay, so this is the block table. I want to add one more field here. Let's say address. After access address, I want to add only address. Okay, so all change done. So table is already here and we have field. This one is the table upon which this field will be added. Okay, add field, and this is a function to upgrade save point. Let's try to let's see after refreshing on the dashboard page here. So I have refreshed the page and it is loading, and you can see it is asking for upgrade. Click on continue and wait for a moment. It will be redirected to a page. Yeah, you can see here list all courses. You can see plugin require attention. One plugin is coming under upgrade. So click on this upgrade Moodle database now. It's loading and you see the success message. It took 0.66 seconds to execute. Click on continue, and here you can see after refresh, check the table, and here you can see your address field has been added. Okay, it has been added. Okay, same way we can update fields. Now let's try to add one more table inside that block. So there is a fixed way to how to create table. So this is the way I am copy here from H5 activity mode plugin. You can copy this one from anywhere. Okay, and again this is required so that it will check every time when it's get loaded. If any upgrade is coming, it will be asking for upgrade. Okay, so now these are the rules you have to work on. Write the table name here, this one, the table object you need to create, block list all, let's say underscore test. Okay, and let everything be as it is. If you want to add this field, you have to write add field as you see here. Okay, and if you want to add key, you can primary key, you can write like this. For adding foreign key, you have to write like this. Okay, so replace h5p with replace all with a block course list test. Okay, and dbman object, you can db manager object is already here. So now let's try to check the same thing whether it is working fine or not. So come to the dashboard here again, and it is not asking for upgrade. Why? Because I also have to make changes here. So I'm putting 21, and here correction is also required. Okay, and also upgrade, this is also required. So in my case it is already here, so I will copy from here and paste here. Okay, so this will work to save this. Okay, so version I have changed here on this page itself, the upgrade.php, and also in version.php file. Version.php file you can find your under your block main directory. Here is a block and here is a version.php, and your db file is here inside db upgrade.php. Let's come to the dashboard again and refresh. It is taking some time. Now you see it is asking upgrade is coming. Click on continue. Upgrade Moodle database now. Click on this. Click on Moodle upgrade database now. And here you can see the success is coming, and click on continue. It will redirect you to the dashboard, but your work is done here. Refresh and you see one more table here like this. Okay, you can see everything you had mentioned here. Over here you can verify like field name, the type and the size, and the primary key and foreign key. You can also see here. You can also see the indexing. Okay, so hope you guys have learned how to create a new table, that means add additional table inside a block, and how to how to add one more field to existing block table. Same way we can also delete any table. Yeah, you can also change field description if required. So let's also check that thing, how to upgrade, change field details. Okay, so let me come to that, copy the same code from any other upgrade.php file. This is the required. stuffs I am copy from here itself, and it is again will compare for the version. Suppose if you want to change this max score to, here you can see the length is 10, so let me change this to 14. You can also verify from here, the max score length is 10. Okay, null, and after remove this one, and write your table name here properly, and this is your table object, your field for which you want to update the detail. Change field default table this, and this will complete the process of changing this. So let's upgrade for this 21 to 22. Yeah, whatever you can also add 23, 25, but not previous one. Paste here also 22, also here, and here you can see the length is 10 coming. And after successfully executing this code that I have written here inside upgrade.php, length should be 14. Okay, so I have clicked here on dashboard to refresh page, and you can see it is asking for upgrade. Click on continue. It will take some moment, so let's wait for the next page. Yeah, now you can see one plugin is coming under upgrade. Click on upgrade Moodle database now, this one, and after a success message, yeah, you can see the success message here. Click on continue. And here you can try checking after refresh this, and this one was the table, and you can see the max score size has been changed from 10 to 14, and also default value is, it was previously something else, but now it is default null. Okay, so previously it was 0, now it is null, no default. That means no default value. Okay, so you have learned how to add field, how to update existing field, and how to create a additional table. You can also perform other options. Let me check here what other option has been used for H5P activity. Not much. Delete field from existing table plugin. It is not suggesting anything here. Let me check for the another link. That is a part of development TDL function. Oh, create table, drop. You can also drop table if you want. Drop means it will delete table. If you want, you can also rename table. Okay, so these are the additional operation you can also perform on the table. Here are the list of functions: drop table, rename table, create table. You can check for if field exists, check for add. Yes, now you see here function is a drop field. So this is something I was searching for. Okay, so let's try to drop a field here. Copy this one, make a copy of this code below. Now make this change to 23 here as well, and I want to drop. So in place of change field, default we have to drop field, and parameter table field everything will be as it is. Okay, so remove this line, drop. That means drop means delete field from table. Okay, so let's try to see the same thing if it is working not. So make this change to version.php so that it asks for upgrade. So again come to this page and click on dashboard, and you can see here the max score is coming as of now, but it will be deleted. Okay, so you can see here it is coming 14, but it will be deleted after this successful upgrade. Click on continue. From this link, this DDL function, you will find almost every function that you will be required to perform, to complete, to fulfill all your need. So you can find the link. I will paste this link inside the video description. You can check from there. So click on upgrade Moodle database now. You can, I will suggest you to try almost every function so that you will have the clear idea how Moodle behaves. Same thing I am performing in a block for now. Same thing will be inside a local plugin, yeah, any mod type activity plugin. You can write like this. For instance, you can see here this one H5 activity is a, you can see path mode. That means this is a module, activity module. Okay, and currently I am writing this inside block. As you can see the path block slash. So everything remains the same, but your this mentioning here this function name will be changed. Okay, the other part will remain the same for whether you are working inside a block, yeah, inside activity, yeah, inside any other local plugin, everything will be same. And after the success is already come for us. Now refresh this, come to this table, and you see your that table has been gone now, and that table was, sorry, that field was max score. Okay, so max score is gone from here, that has length 14. The last field here you can see rise score, not the max score. Okay, same way if you want to add again, we can also perform like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope you